Okay guys, really quickly, I'm just going to show you how I use my baby Doppler. And I have the Sonoline B. I got this from babydoppler.com. I paid $50 for it, and it came with the gel, and it took literally 2 days to come. It came on a Saturday. So if you're thinking about getting one of these, I do recommend it. Just do your research on them. Make sure you tell your doctor, just so that they can let you know the pros and cons of using this. And I've already talked mine over with my OB, so I'm pretty confident when using this thing. I do want to let you guys know that when you're earlier on in pregnancy, it is a lot harder to find your baby's heartbeat. So if you can't find it, don't get discouraged. So I did try to find my baby's heartbeat like 2 or 3 days ago. Since baby's more active, this is the first time 2 days ago that it's been hard for me to find my baby's heartbeat, because I would pick it up and the baby would move. So like when the baby was smaller, she didn't move as much. So I can pick it up. I knew exactly where my baby was hiding. So I find my baby's heartbeat within 5 minutes of cutting this thing going, and I'll be able to listen to it for a couple of seconds. But now I'm lucky if I honestly, in this video, I'll be happy if I hear baby's heartbeat for 3 seconds, because she moves away so fast. So as you can see, this is in real time. I'm not going to speed this up. I haven't pre-looked for the baby, anything. If you watch my video before I put this one out, I literally have the same clothes on from when I did my previous video. So this is just me showing you guys what it's like for you to find baby's heartbeat at the gestation week that I'm at now too. So you want to make sure that you use enough gel. Most people say that they have better luck at finding baby on a full bladder and with their pelvis up, but I've had no issues finding baby either way. So really what I do is, and now since I know, like I got my Doppler when I was 11 weeks, and I found my baby literally down here, like down near my pelvic bone. But now 2 days ago, I found my baby right here. So this is where I'm going to start off, in this region, trying to find that little mover, because literally now she's moving. I'm sure she knows what that thing is, and she moves away now. So just look for videos at your gestational age, and you'll be able to pinpoint exactly where you need to be moving, where you need to be looking at. So since I'm 16 weeks, I'm just start right here. I usually just put a little bit, and if I can't find a heartbeat in this region, then I'll put some over here. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how long this is going to take, just because the baby started moving a lot more, and she does not like this thing. So I'm going to cut it on. You want to make sure the volume is all the way up. I'm going to move it closer. And it does let you see the heart rate on here. So you want to make sure, actually, let me cut this off for a minute. Before you even start using this thing, you want to make sure you know the different noises. So the placenta makes noises, your heartbeat makes a noise, obviously, and baby's heartbeat is clearly like a galloping horse noise. So I've saw people on videos where they think the swooshing noise is the baby's heartbeat. And that's why a lot of OBs don't like people to use these, because it can give you a false sense of security and you hearing the wrong noises in your stomach. So I would just say, when you go to your 4-week checkups, look at how they're moving this thing and listen to the noises. And then YouTube the noises. That's how I knew exactly what my baby's heartbeat sound like, because I YouTube the noises. So I'm gonna put this, and I'm gonna try to put it as close as possible for you guys to hear. And then what you want to do with this thing is you want to go in literal slow circular motions. You want to go in slow circular motions. See, that's not a heartbeat. That's not a heartbeat. Look how I'm moving that thing. All the noises in there. That's baby's heartbeat. That's how quick I picked it up, because I knew exactly where to find that little baby. So if you guys could hear it, that was it. And I'm just going to see if I can let you guys hear it one more time. And that fast, she moved away. She moved away. I was trying to show you guys what the heartbeat was, because it does tell you the heart rate. But as you guys can see, she literally moved away. She's moving too fast to pick the heart rate up, but usually it's around 150, and that's what it showed when I put it on my stomach. So I'm guessing it's around 150-ish. So she's just too fast for it to pick up on the digital screen now. But as you guys can hear, the noise is like a fast galloping horse, and that's exactly what you want to hear out, what you want to listen out for. And as you can see, it's probably hasn't even been a couple of minutes of me putting it on my stomach and knowing exactly where my baby likes to lay. And that's usually where I feel most of my movement is, over in this area. So I know exactly where to find her. So that's my tips on how to find baby's heartbeat at 16 weeks. And I would recommend, if it's okay with your doctor, I do recommend you guys to get one of these. Actually, you know, let me get myself up. I was just saying, if it's okay with your OB for you to use that Doppler, I would recommend you guys to get one, because it gives you, and you know what you're looking for, you know, not distressed. Because honestly, 2 days ago when I could hear the heartbeat, but it was like it was going away so fast. I didn't start freaking out, but it was like, that's weird, because anytime before it was like spot on with the heartbeat. So now that baby's active and moving around and stuff, I know that I just have to be a little quicker. When I hear the beat, I need to listen quickly and hope she doesn't move away fast. So it does, I mean, it's a beautiful sound, it's a beautiful feeling. It's like if I'm feeling a little bit of anxiety and I can just hear that, whatever noise it makes, it does make me feel a lot better. So if you do get one of these, I feel like it's a great investment, and it's something, you know, beautiful that you can share with your baby when they get here and old enough to look at the milestones of the pregnancy when they were in your belly. So that concludes this video. It's like 3 a.m. now. I'm so hungry, and yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up. Make sure you like this video if you want me to give more tips and tricks as I go along in my gestation weeks, and subscribe to my channel. Like, if you didn't subscribe before I even put this video out, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel. My camera is about to die, but I'm about to end this video right here. I'm not about to keep rambling. Thank you guys so much for your support. Leave all your questions and comments down below. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.